Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Claude stuck on loading screen. So to start, you can close Claude app completely. So swipe it up and swipe it away. Then reopen it and see if that solves the problem. Next is to go to your phone settings, then scroll down and go to General, scroll down and go to iPhone storage. Once you're here, scroll down a bit and look for Claude. If you can find it, click Show All. Scroll down and click Claude. Once you find it, so here you have two options. So let's click Offload App, then confirm it by clicking Offload App again. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So click Reinstall App to place back your data, then wait for it to finish. So once done, open Claude again and see if that solves the problem. Next method is to open your settings again. Go to Wi-Fi and check if you're connected to a stable connection. You can also try connecting to another network and see which one works faster. You can try using your phone data. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and data or data to Wi-Fi. And that's basically it. So open Claude again and see if that solves the problem. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.